Back out here at the barndominium, we're going to be doing some more electrical work. We're going to be working on our panel, on our main house breaker panel. So if you guys want to take a look at that, please follow along. Hey, if you guys don't mind, click those buttons. Click the share button, click the subscribe button, click the follow button. Whatever those buttons are, I appreciate you guys being here and following along. Out here at the Pendleton barndominium build, hey, appreciate you guys following along. Right now, we are going to be working on this electrical panel. Again, since we're self-building, we're allowed to do this work ourselves. We still got to get inspected just like everybody else out there in the world does. Our county does have inspections on there, but I appreciate you guys following along. This is a big task to take on, but I don't think it's too bad. It's one of those things, you put your mind to it, you do a lot of research, you verify everything. We'll see when we get to inspection if we have any issues or not. I'll share that as well too. But we got already half of this thing started. We got our grounds landed, we got our neutrals landed. Trying to keep this panel looking a little nice too as well as when we're doing it. So if you guys have any questions, let me know, and please hit that follow and subscribe button if you guys don't mind as well too. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned.
Let's get to it. We're going to be putting the wires, landing those on their breakers right here. This is all the power wires, and it's pretty dark in this room, so you see I got a headlamp on here. I'm trying to make it look clean, trying to put a label on each wire.
Okay folks, we got one half of this fuse panel done, the breaker panel, and you see here we got it nicely labeled, nicely written on there. I don't know, you guys tell me, did I do all right? Could I done better? Let me know, guys. We're gonna keep on working and get this other side done, so stay tuned.
Okay, let's get this other side of the panel done. Again, we're just landing all the power wires, getting all the breakers. Most of these things you see, they're the yellow wire, which is a 12-2. So they're gonna be landing on a 20 amp breaker. We didn't really run any 14 amps. The only thing we ran 14 amp was on the fire alarms. And we actually have two 200 amp breakers. So you see this left breaker box is the 200 amp for the house. The other 200 amp right beside it is the breaker box for the garage. And we try to separate it way over amount of power that we need, but we make sure there's much more future expansion.
Hey, we got the panel a little bit farther along here, but before we get too far, we're going to install this whole home surge protector. It's 80 kA, and we got it stuck in here to the side of the panel. We're getting ready to wire this up. Now, the two black wires, we're going to bring them up here and put them on each of the lugs up here, and then the white's going to go on the neutral bar. The green is going to go to the ground bar.
These whole home surge protector is going to help protect you against any lightning strikes or anything.
All right, we got the surge protector down there. We got it ran through the system. We got it hooked up here to these main lugs right here, and all out of the way for an extra double breaker right here in the top. So appreciate you guys following along, but no, that was not too bad at all. A little expensive, but hey, might as well have that protect the whole house. Guys, it's taken us a little bit, but we got both panels all wired up. I got this one over here on the right hand side all blocked up since we got a couple of live things on there. But no, it turned out really, really well. We got them all marked. Both panels are the same thing. We got it marked and got a pretty clean panel here. I appreciate you guys joining in here. Yeah, we got them all marked and ready to go and ready for all the other inspections and stuff like that. I appreciate you guys along on our journey, and I appreciate you guys coming back. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the chat. Thanks a lot. Bye.